नमस्ते, आपका स्वागत है लर्न हिंदी विद रीनू चैनल में. You are welcome to Learn Hindi with REENU channel. Here we are discussing 10 minutes conversational Hindi through English series. And this is our lesson 13. We have done already 12 lessons. So if you didn't watch, just go and watch. And these are the very, basic level lessons. Even a beginner can start learning from the lesson first. So if you want to be fluent in Hindi, so start your journey today and subscribe the channel. Today we are discussing are, your, their. These are the possessive pronouns. And how to speak these in Hindi. What are the some rules we will see in this video. So let's start. So possessive pronouns are, yours, their. We'll see one by one. Are. Are means in Hindi, hamara, hamare, hamari. Hamara as a masculine singular, hamare masculine plural, hamari singular plural feminine. Then your. We already discussed your, but that time we discussed your as singular, as one person, like tera, tumhara, aapka. We did in 3 periods. But when we are using your for a group of people, then only the meaning will be aapka, aapke, aapki. Aapka for singular masculine, aapke for plural masculine, aapki singular plural feminine. Now, there is unka, unke, inka, inke. So, unka or unke, it is for singular plural masculine, I ending for masculine singular, and a ending for feminine. Masculine plural. Now you can think, what is this inka and inke? Actually, by default, we use unka and unke. But when specifically we want to show the things, nearby things, then we will say inka, inke. Instead of saying unka, unke, we will say inka, inke. For feminine, it is unki, either for singular or plural. And specifically, you want to use it for nearby things, then you will say inki, inki. Let's see some examples to understand it better. This is our room. This is our room. So this means yeh, is means hai, our is hamara, hamare, hamari, room is kamra. Earlier I told you, when we are using possessive pronoun, the use of possessive pronoun will depend on the noun which is coming together with the. Like with ours, it is room. So, what is the possession for our room? So, according to room gender, I will use the meaning of R. So, room is kamra, kamra. And we put kamra in masculine category. Kamra, this is singular, not plural, singular. So, I will use singular masculine. So, R is hamara, hamare, hamari. I will use here hamara as singular masculine. Hamara. So, if you are still confused about the masculine or feminine, just go and watch, I think, lesson 4 or 5. I think 5 or 6. Just go and check. That is about the gender chapter. So, then your confusion will go away. This is our tone. Now, what is the structure? SOV, subject, object, verb. The subject is ye. Conversationally, you can say ye. Otherwise, you can say yeh. Yeh hamara kamra hai. Our room is hamara kamra is hai. ये हमारा कमरा है और यह हमारा कमरा है. Conversationally we speak ये. This is your room. Your is आपका, आपकी, आपकी, and room is कमरा. So कमरा is singular masculine, so I will use आपका. आपका कमरा. ये आपका कमरा है और यह आपका कमरा. This is their room. So there is उनका, उनके, उनकी, वो by default or for the far things. Room is कमरा. So again कमरा singular masculine, so I will use उनका. ये है, ये उनका कमरा है और you can say यह उनका कमरा है. These are our rooms. Now rooms here plural. Plural. Room is kamra and rooms kamre. Kamre. So here the use of are will be hamare. Plural masculine. Hamare kamre. These ये हमारे कमरे हैं. ये हमारे कमरे हैं. Don't confuse because that is also be used at ये conversation. Literal meaning is ये है, but conversationally we can say ये. And plural like these is also meaning ये. ये हमारे कमरे हैं. Now I am putting है here. है is for plural thing and है is for singular thing. So है singular, है plural. Nasal sound. These are your rooms. These ये your rooms. Rooms कमरे again plural. So I will use the meaning of your as plural masculine. So आपके, ये आपके कमरे हैं. ये आपके कमरे हैं. These are their rooms. There is उनके rooms कमरे. I'm using plural masculine. So I say ये उनके कमरे हैं. This is our language. Language is bhasha that we consider as feminine. So this is exception ending with a, but still this is bhasha, feminine, singular. This, यह और ये. R is हमारा, हमारी, हमारी. Because language, bhasha is feminine. So I will use हमारी. हमारी भाषा, not हमारा भाषा. हमारी भाषा. यह हमारी भाषा है और conversationally ये हमारी भाषा है. This is your language, so it will be तुम्हारा, आपकी भाषा. आपकी भाषा. यह आपकी भाषा है और ये आपकी भाषा है. This is their language. There is उनकी language भाषा. उनकी भाषा because feminine. So I'll say उनकी. ये उनकी भाषा है और यह उनकी भाषा है. These are our languages. Now language is plural. So plural of भाषा will be भाषाएं. भाषाएं. And I told you R is हमारी for feminine, either singular or plural. So I'll say हमारी भाषाएं. हमारी भाषाएं. ये हमारी भाषाएं हैं because it's plural. So I'll use हैं. ये हमारी भाषाएं हैं. These are your languages. ये आपकी भाषाएं हैं. Your is आपकी भाषाएं हैं. These are their languages. ये उनकी भाषाएं हैं. ये उनकी भाषाएं हैं. That is our city. R is हमारा, हमारी, हमारे. City is शहर. शहर is something we consider as masculine. So it is singular. So I'll say हमारा शहर. हमारा शहर. That means that is used for past. That means वह. वह. वह हमारा शहर है. और conversationally we can say वो हमारा शहर है. Instead of saying वह, conversationally we speak वो हमारा शहर है. शहर is masculine, singular. So I'm using हमारा. Agra is your city. City again शहर. Your is आपका because singular masculine. आगरा आपका शहर है. आगरा आपका शहर है. America is their country. There is उनका, उनके, उनकी. Country is देश. And this is something we consider as masculine, singular. So America उनका देश है. Or if we are saying for the person that is near about us, So I'll say America इनका देश. The person is near now to who we are talking about. America इनका देश है, specifically for near इनका. Those are our relatives. Those plural, so it means वे. वे are हमारे relatives, रिश्तेदार. Relatives, रिश्तेदार, that is masculine. And singular of रिश्तेदार is रिश्तेदार. Plural also रिश्तेदार. So it is plural here, रिश्तेदार. So I will use हमारे, not हमारा, because plural. हमारे रिश्तेदार हैं. वे हमारे रिश्तेदार हैं. So you can also try these kind of sentences. And if you have still any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. So you can follow me on various social media channels. These are the links. And you can find the links in description box as well. If you want to take some one-on-one classes, you can join me on Skype or you can mail me on the mail ID. And if you want to support my work, you can support it on Patreon. The address is given in the description box. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. फिर मिलेंगे. नमस्ते.